Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the parameterized constructor in Python program. Okay, so let's get into this. So in our previous playlist, we have already discussed about class and objects, and we saw like how to create the class and how to create the object, and we also saw like how class is different from the object. Okay, so today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about parameterized constructor. So before we understand what exactly the parameterized constructor, so let's take an example. Then we'll try to understand theoretically what exactly is the parameterized constructor. Because if I tell you theoretically what exactly the parameterized constructor, you will not be able to understand it clearly. So once we take the example, then only we can understand the topic more clearly. Okay, so now let's try to create a class. So what type of class we'll create? We'll create a class of an employee. Here I will define and initialize the parameters. So here I will give it as, and here I will try to pass some more parameters, guys. So I will give it as employee ID, employee name, employee salary. So now self dot emp id is equal to. So here you can see the difference, guys. So previously I have given some values, and here I am not giving any value. I am directly giving it as employee ID. So previously I have given the exact value, like whichever the value is required, and here employee name is equal to emp name, self dot emp salary, salary. Okay, so now I will try to run this particular cell. So we have created the class, and now let's try to create an object. So object is nothing but it's an instance of a class. emp name, emp dot emp, sorry, here I have to give id. I can go in any way, guys, that is also fine. Okay, so here you can see like nowhere you can see the values like the previous example. What you have seen, like I have given some name, some age, and the ID. Okay, so here you are not able to see any value, and I have created the class and I have created the object also. Okay, so what you have to do is in parameterized constructor we are giving the values in object. So whenever we are defining the object, we give the values or we pass the parameters while constructing the object. So here I will give employee ID as some 18, and employee name I will give it as Jason, and employee salary I will give it as some 6,500. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So now you can see an employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Okay, so the process of, I will mention it here itself. the process of defining the values or assigning the values manually during the creation of objects is known as parameterized constructor. And suppose if you want a formal definition for the process of parameterized constructor, or if you want a formal definition of your parameterized constructor, let's get into the Google and we'll see parameterized constructor. So the constructor is called parameterized constructor when it accepts a specific number of parameters. So here I have given specific number of parameters during the creation of object. So this is known as a parameterized constructor in Python program. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.